Hello, creative souls! Today we are going to transform old clothes and fabric scraps into something extraordinary. So grab your scissors, thread, and let's dive into the magic of fabric upcycling. Are you ready to turn those forgotten t-shirt sleeves into something trendy and unique? Lay down both the sleeves and cut along as I am doing. Cut slowly and carefully to avoid injury. Repeat with the second sleeve. After cutting both the sleeves, knit the sides before we move to our next step. Now mark at 7 inches on both the pieces. Hem the edge up to the mark. Repeat the same with second sleeve. Now for the fun part. Take a bangle and cover it with a lace. Take one bangle and slide it through the hemmed opening of a sleeve. Position it so the bangle sits snugly at the top. This will be your handle. Repeat with the second sleeve and bangle and then sew it. Place the right sides together and sew the sides. Feel free to add your personal touch. The possibilities are endless. Turn it inside out. And just like that, you've created a one-of-a-kind tote bag. So what are you waiting for? Grab those sleeves, dust off those bangles, and let's make something amazing together. Hey there, crafty creators! Those tiny fabric pieces you've been saving are about to become the star of your style. Simply place the button in the center of the fabric and fold the edges of the fabric to cover the button. Secure it with a piece of thread. Cut the extra fabric to give it a neat look. Once your buttons are ready, it's time to put them to work. Sew them onto your jacket, frock, cardigan, bag, or even a hair accessory.